Ang maniwala sa sabi-sabi, walang bait sa sarili. Yan po ay very popular na kasabihan nating mga Pilipino, and ang pag-uusapan po natin ngayon ay tungkol sa reverse mortgage. So stay tuned. Ako po si Ning Giron. There are three major misconception or misunderstanding surrounding reverse mortgage. The first one is you will not own your home if you are on reverse mortgage. Kids will not be able to inherit the property. And the third one is when you die, the bank will take the property back. I must admit that reverse mortgage is somewhat hard to explain to people because of the complexity of how it can be understood. And but then, we have a lot of success stories po that we were able to help them do reverse mortgage, and they were so happy because of the result. Imagine you can stay in your property for the rest of your lives, and you can afford to not make any mortgage payment from then on while you are living and staying in the property. So what I thought of doing today is to compare kung ano yung kayang gawin ng regular loan versus reverse mortgage. We will put two columns. One is regular loan and the other one is reverse mortgage. Because what we're trying to do po is we wanted to compare kung yun pong regular loan can do the same as if we are on reverse mortgage. So the first question po is, if we have a mortgage debt with a lender, do we own the home? The answer is yes. Kung regular loan po, yes, you own the property. That's why you are on title. Dun po sa reverse mortgage is the same thing. You are the owner, you will be on title, and you are on the loan. Can kids inherit the house? If you have a regular loan, yes, they can. If you have reverse mortgage, yes, they can. Can you refinance your property on a regular loan? A lot of people is doing this. Yes, they do. They can refinance their property for as long as there's equity on the home. And if they are on reverse mortgage, yes, they can. They can refinance through reverse mortgage. Actually, if you are on reverse mortgage and you want to go back to regular loan for as long as you have equity, you can do that po. Same thing with the regular loan. If you are on regular loan and you want to go to reverse mortgage, you can do that for as long as there is equity on the property. Can you buy a house on a regular loan? Absolutely. On reverse mortgage? Absolutely. Yes, you can buy a house using regular loan or reverse mortgage. Can you pay off or pay down your mortgage on a regular loan? Yes, you can. On reverse mortgage, yes, you can. Can you sell your property on a regular loan? Yes, you can. On reverse mortgage, yes, you can. If the borrower passes away and there's equity on the property, can the heir sell or take over the home? On a regular loan, yes, they can sell the property so that they can get the equity. But for them to take over the loan, they need to get their own loan, because there are some loans po on a regular mortgage na hindi siya assumable. Meaning, you cannot assume somebody else's mortgage loan. And therefore, pagka po nawala na yung borrower, then kung sino yung tagapagmana, they need to get their own loan para mabayaran kung ano yung utang sa property so that they can keep the home. On the other hand, sa reverse mortgage po, this is interesting, this is a big difference pagdating po sa reverse mortgage. So sa reverse mortgage, yes, the heir can sell the property para makuha nila yung equity. And they can also get their own loan just like the regular loan. Kasi po sa reverse mortgage, hindi po siya assumable. Because ang borrower po sa reverse mortgage is 62 and older, and ang determination kung makakapag-reverse mortgage sila is at the time na nag-a-apply sila ng reverse mortgage. So, The answer is for them to be able to keep the property, just like the regular loan, they need to get their own financing. But what if it's the other way around? So let's say the borrower passed away and walang equity na naiwan sa property. So it's upside down. So what's gonna happen then? Very good question po. So let's put a number out there. So let's say po ang naiwang utang sa property is 400,000. At ang naging value at that time ay 300,000. So yung property po is underwater. Sa regular loan, yun pong ating heirs can talk to the lender and ask the lender to let them short sale the property kasi wala silang makukuhang equity. Or if they want to keep the property, they need to get their own loan to pay off kung ano man po yung utang sa property. So on this case, kung ang utang po sa property is 400,000 at ang value is 300,000, the heirs still need to get 400,000 worth of loan to be able to keep the home. Sa reverse mortgage po is different. So, pagka po ang naiwang utang ng borrower is 400,000 at ang value ng property is bumaba, naging 300,000, and the heir wants to keep the property, so ang kailangan lang po ng heir is to get 95% loan amount ng kung ano yung current market value at that time. So, sa example po natin, kung 400,000 ang utang, at 300,000 na lang ang value, yun pong heir natin will only need $285,000 worth of mortgage loan to keep the home. Kasi po, yun ang 95% ng value at that time. Sa reverse mortgage po, hindi minamana ng mga anak natin yung utang. Ang minamana lang po nila is yung equity. Not like sa regular loan, kung ano yung utang sa property, yun ang dapat na bayaran ng ating mga heirs. The last but not the least, kung tayo po ay hindi makapagbayad sa ating mortgage, are we gonna be in foreclosure? Sa regular loan, yes. Meron pong mga terms na, let's say, kung hindi po tayo makabayad ng mortgage natin, within 90-day period, makaka-receive tayo ng notice of default, and then kung hindi po natin i-cure or babayaran yung default na yon, then the lender will pursue us sa foreclosure. Sa reverse mortgage, ang pagbabayad po ng mortgage is becoming an option. Kung gusto po nating magbayad ng principal and interest, this month, you can. Next month, interest only, you can. Or the third month, we don't want to pay just because we don't have extra money, then you don't need to worry about it. Kahit po hindi tayo magbayad ng mortgage for the rest of our lives, hindi po tayo mapo-foreclose and we can stay in our property for the rest of our lives.